Imagine you walk into a bank and deposit $1,000 into your savings account. You might think the bank simply stores your money in a giant vault and keeps it safe, but that's not what happens. Banks are businesses, and like any business, they need to make money. When you deposit your money, the bank keeps only a small portion of it available for withdrawals. The rest is loaned out to other people. For example, someone might borrow money to buy a car, start a business, or purchase a home. The bank charges interest on those loans. If the borrower pays 7% interest, but the bank only pays you 1% on your savings account, the bank keeps the difference. This difference is one of the biggest ways banks make money. But lending money isn't the only way banks earn income. Banks also charge fees. Have you ever seen monthly account fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees, or wire transfer fees? These small charges may not seem like much, but when millions of customers pay them, the numbers add up quickly. Banks also make money from credit cards. Every time you use a credit card, merchants usually pay a small processing fee to the bank. On top of that, if cardholders don't pay their balance in full, the bank earns interest on the remaining amount. This is why credit cards can be very profitable for banks. Another way banks earn money is by investing. Banks may invest some of their funds in government bonds and other relatively safe financial assets. These investments generate additional income while helping banks manage their money efficiently. Some banks also offer services like wealth management, financial advice, and business banking. Customers and businesses pay for these services, creating another source of revenue. So, in simple terms, banks make money by borrowing money from depositors at a low cost, lending it out at a higher rate, charging fees, processing payments, offering financial services, and making investments. That's why banks aren't just places that store money. They're businesses that make profits by helping money move through the economy. The next time you walk past a bank, remember, your money isn't just sitting there. It's helping power loans, businesses, homes, and investments, and that's how banks make money.